In this video, you'll learn how to use an Alice guide. If you need extra time as you follow along, you can pause this video at any point. If you don't know what Alice guides are or where to find them, watch our video, Understanding Alice Guides. For this example, we'll use How to Choose a Career That Fits You. This is an Alice curated guide made by the Alice team. But the following instructions apply to any guide, including custom guides made by you or other users. We'll begin from a guide's start page. Alice curated guides have descriptions to help you find out what the guide can help you with. Custom guides made by users won't have a description. Scroll down to see the Alice pages that you'll visit as you go through the guide. If you like the guide, but don't have time to start it now, save it for later. Click or tap the Save to My Account button. If you do want to start the guide right away, click or tap the title of the page you want to go to first. You can start with any title on the list. You don't have to start with the first one. While you're using the guide, you'll see a yellow bar at the top and bottom of your screen. It looks like this on a desktop. On a mobile device, it looks like this. Finish what you need to do on the page. For example, read the article, watch a video, fill in a worksheet, or complete a quiz. When your task is finished, click or tap the Mark as Complete button on the bottom yellow bar. Check your progress on the top yellow bar to see how many items you've completed. To move through the guide, use the Previous and Next buttons on the bottom yellow bar. To see the list of items included in the guide, click or tap View Guide Contents. You can see which items you've completed by the check marks on the left. To close the list, click or tap View Guide Contents again. To return to the guide's start page, click or tap the guide name on the top yellow bar. If you don't see yellow bars at the top and bottom of your screen, it means you're not in the guide anymore. You won't have the option to mark an item as complete. That's okay. Complete what you need to do on the page. Then you can return to the guide you're working on through your account dashboard. Click or tap My Account, then the My Guides tab. Once you're in My Guides, find the guide you were working on. For this example, we were working on How to Choose a Career That Fits You. Browse the list of items under the guide name. Click or tap Show More to see the whole list. When you find the page you need to mark as complete, click or tap the circle to the left of the name. A check mark will appear and mark the item as complete. You can return to working on the guide from here if needed. Click or tap the guide name or any of the page titles. Now you know how to use an Alice guide. Watch the other videos in our Alice Guides series to learn all you can about them. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, email us at alice.info@gov.ab.ca.